Hey friends, welcome back to Learning Made Fun, your ultimate destination for IT training content. Today, get ready to learn some disk usage commands. Now, whether you're a newcomer or a longtime subscriber, I've got some exciting and informative content lined up just for you. So grab those snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into today's lesson, my friends. So we said we were going to learn disk usage. Just a couple of quick commands here. The first one is our df-h. So this will show free a new space on the mounted file system. Notice we have our size, then we have the used, what's available, and even in percentage, and where they're mounted on. df space dash H. Let's clear and go to the next one. Now I want to see what's free and used inodes on my mounted file system. So once again, df, but this time I'm going to use the -i. Same format, but let's compare that to the -h. So up here I have inodes, used, free, used, and as well as where it was mounted. But here this is just a little bit easier for me to read because it's actually 7.8 gigabytes what's used and available. So just if we do the man command, the manual will show you what other options are available. Let's clear this and go back to the top. Now what if you want to display the disk usage for all files and the directories? So we could do the disk usage. All right, and for all, here I see my, for example, local cloud slash Cloudflare, local config, and so on. I have Kuma installed on this one. So this just kind of breaks down by all the files that are in here and the directories. So let's clear the, well, you know what, let's do something interesting. Maybe you want to reference this a little bit later. So what if we take that command? We're going to say du-ah. Let's get back over here, du-ah, but I want that to go into a file, and I'm going to call that file disk info. Oops, yep, info.txt. And notice my output didn't print. So let's see if I have a file now, and there's my disk info. So instead of printing it on the screen, it should have been captured into a file that's now called diskinfo.txt that I can reference a little bit later if I wanted to. And I can basically do that with just about anything. The next thing I wanted to do is I want to display the total disk usage of my current directory. So right now, in the root folder, if I do the du-sh, it shows me that I'm 17 meg. Let's go into our home folder and do the same thing. du-sh, and this one's 24K. And if I wanted to capture a report of this, just like we did before, I could say du-sh, and I'm going to use my greater than symbol, and I'm going to call this home folder info. And let's see if it captured it. Home folder info. And there's that same information that was printed earlier. Now, I could also use the, let's just say that I had the cat command again, and I said cat disk info. What was that? Cat home folder info.txt. And then I can just use, if I forgot what it was, or you can also use the app arrow. All right, if you wanted to run that last command again. So the up arrow will get you there, or the shift exclamation point, same thing. That's a quick little shortcut. Not to mention, of course, you can also do history, but now you get all of them. Right, so let's clear this up. And that concludes today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.